friends, this is a little story that you're going to read at home. Start with your parents helping you read, and then you can just keep going over and over and read this throughout the school year, and then you'll be able to read it in time. You can decorate the pictures and enjoy it from now until the end of the school year. Apples all around. Apples, apples everywhere. Shiny, red, and round. Apples in the air. Just look what the picture says. Apples on the ground. Apples in the store. Apples in a tree. Apples in an apple pie. Apples in me. Yum! Enjoy the story.